Now in this video, let's talk about how you can adjust the ringtone volume on your iPhone. Luckily, this is very simple to do. All you need to do is to open up the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to find the sounds and haptics section. And at the top, you have a ringtone volume slider. And using this, you can literally just adjust the volume of your ringtones. Keep in mind that this volume slider is different from the one in the control center. The one right here is used for media playback volume, right? So it is for the YouTube videos that you watch, for the music that you listen to. But this is different from this one, which is for the ringtones. That includes incoming phone calls, notifications, and alarms. So this slider is used for these purposes. One more additional or interesting option is the one below it, which is called Change with Buttons. And if you have this toggled on, it means that you can use the physical volume buttons on the side of the iPhone to adjust it and bump it up and down, right? Because if you have it turned off, it will be used to adjust the volume, right? The volume of the music, videos, and the content that you consume. So this is the difference. This is how it works. I honestly hope that I could help you with it. If you have more questions or thoughts about it, leave them below in the comments. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up and I'll see you in the future.